Hi lovely people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the creamiest baobab juice or drink from scratch. Let's get right into the video. So here we have our baobab fruit, which is the main ingredient. This is how the fruit looks like. You can also use the pounded one, and I have some powdered milk and some condensed milk. I'll also make use of sugar and vanilla essence. I'll begin by transferring the baobab fruits into a bowl. I'm making use of 5 cups of baobab fruits. Then I'll add 5 cups of water to it and allow it to soak for at least 30 minutes. So depending on the time you have, you may allow it to soak for 30 minutes or more. This is after about an hour of soaking the baobab. I will stir this until the seeds become more visible. Then we can strain and separate the seeds from the juice. Please like the video and click the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. I'll be using this sieve to strain it for the first time. Then after that, I'll use the sieve with the net to strain it 2 more times. While straining, I added more water to this gradually. So in all, I added 3 cups of water, making a total of 8 cups of water to 5 cups of baobab. The reason why I'm adding more water to this is to ensure that the juice is well extracted, leaving only the seeds. And now we have our baobab juice. I'm transferring it into a bigger bowl so that we can add the rest of the ingredients. It looks so creamy already. Then we have our powdered milk and then our condensed milk. I'll mix this very well. Lastly, I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can add any sweetener of your choice and any flavor of choice. You can also add more milk or more sugar if you prefer it very sweet. So this is basically how to prepare baobab juice at the comfort of your home. This is best enjoyed chilled. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and leave a comment below in the comment section telling us what you think about this drink. Bye.